2025 Chevrolet Malibu marks the final chapter in a long-running legacy of midsize sedans from General Motors. With a focus on practicality and efficiency, this model offers subtle enhancements while remaining true to its core purpose. The overall shape of the Malibu remains familiar, favoring smooth lines and conservative curves rather than flashy overhauls. It continues to appeal to buyers who value a comfortable, no-nonsense sedan that delivers solid performance and reliability without overcomplicating things. The Malibu appearance. The RS stands out with its sportier design, darkened accents, and dual exhaust tips, while the 2LT offers the most premium experience with leather upholstery, ventilated front seats, and advanced driver assist technologies. The standard features across all LS trim deliver solid value. Under the hood, the Malibu retains its 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, offering between 160 to 163 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. This setup is paired with a continuously variable transmission, which helps the sedan stay smooth and efficient, especially in city driving. While not the quickest car in its class, it manages everyday commutes and highway cruising with ease. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour clocks in at around 8.5 seconds, which is modest but acceptable for most drivers in this segment. Fuel economy continues to be one of the Malibu's strengths. EPA estimates place it at around 28 miles per gallon in the city and up to 36 miles per gallon on the highway, depending on trim and driving conditions. That means it remains a smart pick for those who prioritize low running costs over outright power. With regular gasoline and a relatively lightweight design, it's an economical choice that doesn't skimp on comfort. Inside the cabin, the Malibu is surprisingly spacious. Front passengers benefit from over 41 inches of legroom, while rear seat occupants get nearly 38 inches, offering enough space for adults on longer trips. The trunk offers about 15.7 cubic feet of cargo capacity, making it one of the more generous sedans in its class when it comes to hauling groceries, luggage, or daily essentials. Fold-down rear seats also give added flexibility for larger items. The infotainment system is built around an 8-inch touchscreen and includes standard features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is easy to use, with quick response times and intuitive menu layouts. Higher trims offer more tech upgrades, such as a premium Bose audio system, in-dash navigation, wireless phone charging, and built-in Alexa voice assistant integration. The inclusion of a Wi-Fi hotspot also adds to the Malibu's tech-savvy appeal. On the safety front, the 2025 Malibu comes standard with Chevy Safety Assist. This includes key features such as forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, and automatic high beams. Optional safety upgrades include blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, and rear parking sensors. These features are designed to add peace of mind during daily driving, though some safety agencies have noted room for improvement in specific crash tests. Driving the Malibu feels predictable and controlled. It's not a sporty car, but it's responsive enough for urban movements and relaxed enough for highway driving. The ride quality is smooth and quiet, with suspension tuned more for comfort than agility. This makes it a great choice for families, commuters, and anyone who values ease of use over performance thrills. The steering is light but accurate, and cabin noise is well managed, even at higher speeds. Material for soft touch surfaces, heated and ventilated seats, and refined stitching details. The design isn't groundbreaking, but it's functional and user-friendly. Everything is where you expect it to be, and controls are clearly labeled. Owners have praised its simple layout and ease of access to features, especially when compared to more complex infotainment systems in newer vehicles. Charging and electrification are not part of the Malibu's story. This vehicle is strictly gasoline-powered, with no hybrid or electric options. While this might be a downside for some, others may appreciate the simplicity and proven reliability of a traditional powertrain. The Malibu is easy to maintain, with accessible parts and a long-standing reputation for durability. That makes it a practical choice for those who prioritize dependability. Pricing for the 2025 Malibu remains competitive. The LS base trim starts at around $26,995, while the top-tier 2LT reaches just above $32,000. Destination fees are included, and most trims can be found below MSRP with dealer incentives. Given the list of standard features and fuel economy, the Malibu provides good value for the money. It's not trying to be luxurious, it's aiming to be useful, comfortable, and affordable. In terms of release, production for the 2025 model began in July 2024 at GM's Fairfax assembly plant. This model year will be the final production run for the Malibu, with assembly expected to conclude in late 2025. After that, the plant will pivot toward manufacturing the next generation of electric vehicles, specifically the updated Bolt EV. That means this is the last chance for buyers to get a new Malibu, making this version both a conclusion and a collector's item of sorts. Real-world feedback from current and recent Malibu owners reflects appreciation for its comfort, fuel economy, and reliability. Comments online often praise the roomy interior and practical design. However, some do mention the car feels dated compared